Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's having this problem right here. When they type text, they've got a background color. The text is there, you can see it. It's not real easy to change, as there are a couple of the tricks. So to get to the text docker, you can go to Windows, Dockers, Text, or Control-T, and there's your Docker, or you could go to Text, or Control-T. Now, I actually made it a two-color pattern, but I want to change it. So to change it to no fill, go to no fill. This will come up. Now, when we grab the text tool, it has no fill and it'll type. Now, if that doesn't work, you actually have to go to another fill. Like I'm going to go to uniform fill and press artistic text. Now it's set on, when we grab the text tool, it's set on a uniform fill. So now we can go back to no fill, and as long as this is going to change your document, and we're going to say, okay, now it still says to pattern, but that doesn't matter because when you grab your text tool, it goes to no fill and you can type. Now, once you have that, I'm not 100% sure, but I would go to Tools, Options, and Save as Default, and then that way that problem won't come up again. Let's actually do it again just to make sure and it works. So, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.